Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a really fun and exciting video. I'm going to be unboxing my brand new Chanel handbag. So this was actually a total spur of the moment purchase. I'm never like that. I'm usually very calculated in my handbag purchases, but when I saw this pop up on my Instagram feed, I pretty much knew that I was going to be buying it that night. I did buy this technically pre-loved, although this is in brand new condition. It's never even really been worn. It's still brand, like in the box, everything. But I did buy it from Timeless Vogue. She is a pre-loved handbag seller. I suggest you guys follow her on Instagram. She's not paying me to say this or anything. I just have talked about her before and I really, really love her. You can really find some amazing deals on pre-loved bags, and people are always asking me where I recommend, and I definitely recommend her. So I saw this bag pop up on her Instagram for sale, and I had seen this like here and there, but I really don't see it that often. But when I do see it, I just love it. Like, it is not a bag that everybody has. It's only been around for I think 2 years. It came out in 2016. I don't see it that often, and in this particular combination either. It's just, I just really, really like it. So it's not a vintage bag or anything like that, but I am just head over heels in love with this bag, even though I've never even seen it in person. I just think that what I look for in a bag, it just checks all the right boxes. So I'm just praying that I love this. If I don't love it for whatever reason, I'm sure some of you out there will really like it, and I could obviously resell it if I don't like it, but I'm very, very hopeful. So let's just open it and then I'll tell you all about it. Okay, so I'm going to undo the ribbon. I've actually had this bag sitting in my dining room waiting to film this video because I just hadn't had time. I wanted it to be like a genuine, real unboxing, like to get my first impressions. So here it is, nicely wrapped up. It looks completely brand new. Here's a little flower that it always comes with. I see it. Okay, so I purchased the Chanel Filigree Small Flap Bag. Isn't it? Oh my gosh, it's just so freaking pretty. So let me just take a look at it. It looks it's just in beautiful, perfect condition. Let me just examine here. Sometimes I feel like I'm filming videos and like I don't actually even look at the bag until like I'm finished with the video, and that's just ridiculous. So let me just examine here. Okay, it's beautiful. All right, so it is in the beige caviar leather. It does have, you know, this black detailing around it. I almost feel like maybe the detail might be lambskin. I feel like I read that somewhere. And then the CCs do have this gold filigree detail. It is a chain strap, which I absolutely love, but it does have this leather shoulder strap here just so that it is really comfortable on your shoulder. It has the classic little pouch or flap back here, which is like the Mona Lisa little pouch here. I forget the technical term right now. The opening and closing is a magnetic closure. So you just open it and it just snaps closed super easy. When you open it up, it is a really nice size in there. It's pretty thick. It's not like a walk or wallet on chain. You can definitely fit a lot in here. And then it does have a zipper compartment right there, which is great. And then on the other side, there is the classic little flaps right here where you can actually insert a lipstick right there, or, you know, things on the other side as well. So it is laid out very, very similar to a regular classic Chanel flap. It's obviously a single flap though. So the reasons that I wanted this bag and I just fell in love with it it's just for so many reasons. This is just like my bag. This reminds me so much of the Louis Vuitton Favorite that I love. That is like, honestly, that is probably the bag out of my entire collection that I carry the very most, just because of how easy it is and carefree it is. But sometimes I feel like that bag is a little bit more on the casual side, whereas this is very similar. It's just a magnetic closure, but it is a lot more dressy, and you can actually, you know, pull this up. I will be doing mod shots at the end. I'll try this on for you in all the different combinations so you can see how it might look on you. But anyway, I love how this is a crossbody bag. You guys know how much I love crossbody bags, but then I can also turn it into a shoulder bag as well. And then probably the number one reason of why I purchased this bag is just how pretty it is. I love the beige caviar. I've always wanted a beige Chanel bag, but I also love how it has this black detailing. I love how you can prominently see the Chanel CCs. I just think like this is just like my bag. It's like a neutral Chanel bag, but it has a little pizzazz to it at the same time. And I do think it's a really good size. Let me actually just run upstairs and get different bags to actually compare this to. I'll get my favorite and I'm going to get my Chanel mini bag. Okay, so I am back. So here is my new Chanel bag, and then here is my Louis Vuitton Favorite So as you can see, this is a little bit smaller, but I kind of like how this is a tad smaller just so that these bags aren't like completely identical. But this is filled to the brim, so what I think I'm gonna do is transfer everything in here into here just to see if there's a difference in what the bags hold. So like I said, this bag is really, really full, so let me just move everything over here just to see if it all fits. Alrighty, so my favorite MM is completely empty and everything did fit right in here. So let me just quickly show you. I have a mini wallet in there. I've got 2 or 3 lip glosses. I've got my keys here, like my 6-ring key holder. I've got my phone charger here, and it's just really easy to go ahead and close that. It just snaps right up and it doesn't look like it's too stuffed. It seems to fit a lot, and I honestly could probably fit some more things right on top as well. But then super quick, here is my Chanel mini rectangle along with the small filigree. They are close in size, but obviously I would say this is a little bit bigger. Another reason I'm excited to have this is because I am going to Las Vegas with my husband Josh in about 2 weeks, and I'm probably gonna be making more purchases there off my wish list. So we'll see what I come home with, but I think this bag will be perfect while we're there just because it's dressy, so I can wear it in the evenings when we maybe go out to a nice dinner or to a show, but then throughout the day when we're out shopping and walking around, it's probably gonna be like 90 degrees. I just think this is going to be the perfect bag to transition from day to night. So anyway, stay tuned for more luxury unboxings, maybe, I don't know. We'll see what I find there. I'm not really sure. But yeah, I'm really excited for that trip, but I'm also really excited to bring this along with me. Oh, and price. A lot of people ask me questions about pricing. So when this was released in May of 2016, it retailed for $3,100, and the medium or the larger size retailed for $3,300. Now on top of that, you still had to pay tax. Now for this particular bag, I did pay $3,300. I believe since 2016, there have been 2 price increases. So I probably, I definitely think I saved money on this. I'm not sure how much money, to be totally honest, because I don't even know what it really retails for, and I don't know how much I'd be paying in tax on top of that, but I do think I saved some money. A lot of people do want this particular combination, like this neutral black and beige color combination. It is pretty hard to find, so the fact that I saved even just a little money, I am actually pretty excited about that. It does come in black and maroon and navy. There's a lot of colors, but I personally think this particular color combination is the very best. This beige is just beautiful, and I know I've said it before, but it is so hard to get the right beige, and this beige it's just stunning. All right, so I've rambled on way too much about this bag, so let me just quickly show you all the ways that you can wear it and where it hangs on me. I am 5'5", just for reference, and I think we'll be done with this video, so let me just try it on. So here is the bag on my shoulder, which I think is a really nice height. It's just a really pretty shoulder bag, super, super classy. I can obviously change it like that. Alrighty, so here is the bag just on my shoulder like normal. I think it looks really great. Let me just make it a crossbody bag. Oh, and by the way, if you like this shirt, it is by Chic Wish, still available. I love it off the shoulder, just throwing that out there in case you're wondering. But here it is crossbody. So I personally think it is the perfect length of a crossbody bag. I am 5'5". If you are much, much shorter, it could be kind of long on you. But I personally think this is just, like I said, the perfect length for a crossbody bag. All right, so I'm a little zoomed out here, but here is a last little look. And like I said, it's super easy to change it to a crossbody or just a shoulder bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this bag, please leave it in the comment section down below. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you don't like it. I don't really care because I really like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. If you're a handbag lover like me, I would love to have you back. So thanks again, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye. I've been loving everything you